a deadly crowd surge killed at least 153 people who were out celebrating. We have to warn you, some of the images we're going to share are graphic. Authorities are still investigating exactly what caused this crowd crush.
This is what their loved ones faced. People rammed together. Emergency services trying to pull people free. Partygoers piled on top of each other. A situation that suddenly spiraled.
This video on Twitter shows an apparent lack of crowd control. A sea of bodies.
Thousands of people were packed into a relatively tight area. But in fact, we've now realized that these stretchers are being used to bring back bodies. And we've just seen body after body rolling past here.
Police and emergency crews rushed to the scene. Shortly after 10 p.m. local, Yonhap News Agency reported emergency lines flooded with calls from people in the packed area, saying they were stuck, suffocating. Some who fell down apparently crushed under a growing pile of people. Social media video shows emergency crews struggling, pulling injured and unconscious victims.
It's hard to wrap your mind around how terrifying that must have been for those people who were essentially crushed to death, or for those who slipped and fell and had people piling up on top of them.